Yeah? Yeah?
You put gas in here?
Yeah, man. You know I take care of you.
Yeah, I'm going to come around there too. I got some screws to take over that car. See, it's got screw up Andrew. What about one of them boy that screw him up?
Pause. Pause. Yeah, bong, we here again, my beautiful people. A hot day in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Here again, another Sunday cooking. I'm your guy, Damien. Bong, let's get it. Today we're making steak today. Bong. Some stew steak. Fried chicken, you know the vibes. Gungo peas, you know what I mean? Boom. Big up to everybody this Sunday. Hope y'all feeling blessed today. You know what I'm saying? It's baking outside right now. So I'm behind time. Let's get it cracking. Bong. So we got the gungo piece going right now. You know what I mean? Bong. Rico, big up. Well, go on my G. Blessings on a Sunday. Big up yourself, Rico. Boom. The gunga piece. So start a little late today, man. You know what I mean? Start a little late today. Oh, it's fix. Get a little music going now. So we try to get the gunga piece going. You know, I'm a little late today, so I'm a little behind. So we get the rice going. Bong, set up the rice real quick. Try to find one. Get a little garlic. A little scallion. A little behind time today, my beautiful people. A little behind time. Yo, Alando, big up yourself, my G. Blessings. What's on the menu? I got steak. Doing a little stew steak today. And you don't know the fried chicken. Bang, big up Almond Girl. Big up yourself, Queen. Hi there, my friend. Bless up yourself, Queen. How you doing today on the Sunday? Hope all is well. It's a happy Sunday. Are you on your way? Always welcome, Queen. Always welcome. Start a little late today, you know, so I'm trying to get it together. Trying to get it together, you know. We got steak and fried chicken. Steak and fried chicken today.
Our rice and peas.
Dry gungo peas.
Yeah, can't come out of the dry gungo.
Not right now. Not right now. Not right now.
How much? Oh, the egg off the something there.
Yeah. Hopefully, so maybe next week some rice and peas. Maybe next week some rice and peas.
Cabbage big one.
Cabbage, some steamed cabbage.
With some steamed cabbage.
Yes.
So you cook it for that soup last night and I never get none.
What was the cooking? You never asked me. I don't know say one so.
What you mean you know something no one so?
The pot there on there?
You never. So that.
Huh?
Here, oh yeah, here.
For the steak.
Then, you want dinner, me.
Eh?
You want dinner.
You want dinner?
Yeah. Try not left out my food.
Alright.
I'm fix my food.
Alright. I'll make sure you get your dinner.
Yeah, share out my food.
Alright. Alright, my beautiful people, that's my rice with the coconut milk, the thyme, scallion. You know what I mean? Let me get a pepper now.
Yeah?
Give me a pepper. Yeah.
Green one to put in the pot.
Yeah, give me 2 pepper. You know, you get pepper right off the tree, my beautiful people, right off the tree. You see, that's where we got the peppers. You know, get a nice pepper for you.
Green pepper you want?
Yeah.
Red one, yes.
So we get the pepper right off the tree, my beautiful people. Bang, big up Kimmy. You know what I'm saying? So just gotta wash it, you know what I mean? Fresh off the garden. Fresh out the garden, my beautiful people. Baby skin soft. Real outside, my G. Yeah, you don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's how we doing it. Big up yourself, baby skin soft. Enough love to you. Only thing is the soul music. Try and get it together, you know? Let me wash these peppers real quick and get it going. So we got fresh peppers, my beautiful people. Sorry I can't talk much. Boom. Let me get this going. See my beautiful people? Fresh pick. Bang. Thanks for the share, Penny. I got the rice. Remember, always wash your rice first, my beautiful people. Always wash the rice. Last week I ain't cook enough rice. I had extra mouths came by, you know what I mean? Yo, Leonard, thank you. Enough love. Fluffy, boom, big up yourself. Have a good day, Queen. Alright, so I got the rice going. So as soon as the rice finished, I'm gonna start the fried chicken. You hiding? Nah, Queen, I'm not hiding. It's a little bit caught up, Queen. We're on behind schedule today, you know? Boom. Let's get it going. So right now, since I get that going, boom, we got the steak right now. We'll deal with the steak real quick. You know what I'm saying? Make a little stew steak today, you know what I mean? I really want to start a little early today, but you know, it's got caught up, my beautiful people. But boom, we're here right now. Let's get it. So the meat already washed already. I had a little chingwan wing. You know what I mean? Running low on chingwan wing right now. And a little black pepper. You know black pepper is expensive in the Bronx. A little Maggie, you know. A little seasoned salt.
You may remember them best for New York's a lonely town.
Got a little onion powder, my beautiful
The
people.
trade winds with Mind Excursion. Well, everybody was getting a little psychedelic in 1966. Before that, at number 83, Standard Dave said I wasn't going to tell nobody. And at number 82, The Impressions with Can't Satisfy. And in just a little bit, I will run down what we've heard so far. As we mark out,
Boom. So how we looking? Got the steak. Boom. Why no fresh onions and fresh garlic? We got it, man. We got it. We got the fresh onions. We got the fresh onions, fresh garlic, man. You know what I'm saying? All in here. You know what I mean? Okay. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You know what I'm saying? All right, boom. Get that going. I forgot 2 ingredients. Let me go get that real quick. Hold on.
We'll be coming your way every Sunday from 5 to 7 p.m. with the great vocal group songs of the past. So join me on Sundays, 5 to 7 p.m. But I think you're going to love it. Right here on 89.1 WFDU. Now let's all get together and sing on the Tupac Corner. And as I mentioned in the last hour, that means this show beginning next week, will start in our old time slot at 11 a.m. So it'll be 11 to 2 beginning next week. And when I say old, I mean old. You know, we have this discussion.
Again? Oh my God. Where's that bottom? Again?
This is how you know.
What are you doing? Building
If
a
you
show?
can lay on the floor and get up unassisted,
Catch up for.
you are not old. That is the
What are you making?
indication of
Some steak. You say what beef?
Yeah, that's what you making?
Yeah.
Beef?
Sorry, my beautiful people. I'm back again. You know what I'm saying? Boom.
Owen.
I got a little browning. You know what I mean? A little ketchup. Bang, bang, bang.
That's it. Oh, he on live. Let me say hi. You on live?
Yeah.
Bang bang. Hi guys. Hi.
That's what I sound like when I get out of the gym.
Let me see how many views you got.
Where's Tavy?
Where's
She on-
Tavy?
She on here?
Oh, no, she ain't coming in there.
She ain't coming here. Let me
Yeah. It smells great over here.
Unless you're putting a Christmas decoration. Sometimes I know that.
Wow.
Anyway, let's move on. We have to continue with our bottom 40 countdown. Where are we? We are
Why you always walking the wrong way?
85, so I'm making it stay.
Someone said, "What are you cooking?"
Cooking steak. Brown stew steak.
Brown stew
Fried
steak.
chicken.
Wait, they want a fried chicken. That
Fried
I
chicken.
deal with that.
And Google peas. All right,
Yo,
my beautiful people.
look at that.
Steak. Bang.
Bag. Let me tell y'all, that fried chicken bust, okay? We are Jamaican. Where are you from? Oh, New Orleans. How is it over there? I want to go for like Mardi Gras. The food is the best. Is it better than New York? What part of Florida are you from? Damn, I don't know if any food is better than New York. I'm gonna have to take you up on that. I've only been to Orlando like once. I go to Fort Lauderdale.
So we got the steak going, my beautiful people.
Oh, you're not saying me tell you some ketchup in the fridge.
In our fridge? So we go, my beautiful people. So you know we're frying the steak first.
That's
You know,
so
get it going. All right, boom.
Wow, that look good.
Look good, right? Bang 20. He used to live in BK. Big up yourself.
Oh yeah, Tony, you know the thing. New York food is the best. Okay now. I'm hungry too, so I gotta steal a plate. I hope everybody went to church today and you gave praise to the Most High.
Boom. We're gonna deal with the fried chicken right now. You know what I'm
Whoa.
saying? We're gonna season it up real quick. Bang bang.
I'll be back, guys.
So while we got the chicken get a little fry, the steak get a little fry, I'm gonna start seasoning the fried chicken. No plates, no selling plates, Canary. Canary. That's how you sell it? No, I know they're not selling plates right now. All right, so boom, I'm gonna deal with the fried chicken. Now, as soon as the rice is finished, I could throw in the fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? No, not yet. All right, boom. A little ching wang wing. You know what I'm saying? I run low on ching wang wing, but you know. You see the wasp returns. A little onion powder. A little garlic powder. You know, a little black pepper. You know, black pepper is expensive in the Bronx, you know, so gotta be easy with it, you know. A little Maggi. What else? You know, a little chicken seasoning from Grace. Hold on. a little mustard, you know. Boom. So how we looking, my beautiful people. The fried chicken. Bang, 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 bang. So I had to miss my football game today, you know. I'm out with y'all today, you know what I mean? I started a little late. I was trying to get down a little earlier, but it didn't work out, you know what I'm saying? I had a lot of complications. This is a fried chicken, nice and seasoned. So I had a lot of complications today, you know, but I'm trying to pull it together.
With their version of a song written by Chip Taylor called I Can Make It With
Get
You.
rid of this.
And before that, we heard Jamie Shannon's version in the
You see the steak?
Now, the version that proved more popular was the one we just heard. That version got to, let's see, number 30, that's right? Yeah. Number 32 on the Billboard chart, whereas Jackie Shannon's version only got up to number 68. Between you and me. After the honest statement, you may be more familiar with that version, hence that might be part of the reason why you like it. But I actually preferred Jackie Shannon's version. I thought it was a better made record. I'm more excited than it was around.
So I'm frying it to give it a little color, you know. Yo, DM, bang, 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 bang. Big up yourself, DM. You know what I'm saying? Hope you have a good day today, man. I know the vibes. Bang, bang. 3 times. It's not the D train, but we take the bus. You know what I mean? Bang, 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 bang. Big up yourself. Yo, Gene. Bang. Thanks for the follow, Gene. Look like I ain't make enough rice. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go easy on the rice today. You know, but the rice is almost done. As soon as the rice is done, bang. Fried chicken, you know. I was trying to make enough rice because last time I didn't make enough. All right, boom. Let's get back to the chicken. Boom. I need a fork. Watch my egg for me, my beautiful people. Yo, Tracy, dog. Dang. Why you never tell me you're cooking out today? I could have bring something. You don't know. Sorry, Tracy. Maybe next time I keep you posted, Queen. Next time I keep you posted. You know what I mean? Sorry about that. Big up yourself on the Sunday, Tracy. Hope you have a blessed day today, man. A blessed day, you and your family. You know what I mean? Bang. You know what I'm saying? So I'm running behind the schedule today. Boom. You know what I mean? I started a little late. Everything was off whack. You know what I'm saying? Had no gas, had no fire, had no flames. You know what I'm saying? Things was crazy today, but I finally pulled it together. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how I follow through. Okay, I'm going to hold you to that. And same to you, Brad. Bang, you don't know. Don't know. What game you was looking forward to? I was looking forward to the Ravens game and the New York Jets. But you know, brethren, you don't know, Tracy, you understand. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully I can catch the halftime. You know what I mean? Hopefully. Boom. All right, let's finish this up. While the rice is finished this up, give me 1 second. Boom, we get back to it. All right, I'm gonna take them out real quick. You know what I mean? Boom. Let's see. See the rice coming through. Thank you, Tracy, for the heart, for the roses, Queen. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Here you go, the rice. You know what I mean? So the rice is almost done. Let me get the spoon and try it out. Let's see. The rice. Yeah, that's the rice. Thank you very much, Tracy. This is a steak, you know. I don't want it to cook too much, just a little color, you know. See how we looking? We got half side cooked. The other side, you know. Boom. That's how we looking. Alright. So I don't want to fry too much, just give it a little color.
The number 90 song this week. Back in
Give it a little color, my beautiful people.
66, Bobby Goldsboro with It Hurts Me. Before that, Booker T and the MGs with My Sweet Potato. Number 89. The Dynatones with The Fight Fighter. And number 88. Now, I said we were going to do this. Let's see, I think we have some time. Sure. Here's where we are so far. When we begin at number 61. Number 61, Andy Williams, In the Arms of Love. Number 62, Roscoe Robinson, That's Enough. Number 63, Shelby Flynn, Shelby Flynn, with Cast Your Fate Through. And number 64, Jim Reeves, Looks Like Blue Slide. And number 65, Ray Charles and the Rails, I Chose to Sing the Blues.
Okay.
Number 66,
Boom. Now we're gonna get the fried chicken going.
you may have missed that song if you joined us late. And number 67, The Monkees, Last Train to Clarksville. Number 68, Dee Ward, I Want to Be With You. Number 69, The Left Bank, Walk Away Renee. Number 70, Georgie Fame and the Blue Flames with Get Away at number 71. The Swinging Medallions, She Drives Me Out of My Mind at number 72. Howard Tate, Ain't Nobody Home. And number 73, Roger Williams, Born Free. And number 74, We Got to Handle It by the Capitals at number 75. Ronnie and the Daytonas with Diane. Diane called up and liked it. So Ronnie, he sang that song and finally Diane answered. Well, please, years later at number 76, Walter Wadley with Summer Song. At number 77, The Razor's Edge with Let's Call It a Day Girl. Number 78, The Toys with Baby Toys. At number 79, The Count 5 with Discount 5 with Second Reaction. Number 80, Neil Tempo and April Stevens all strung out. At 81, Bob Dylan, Just Like a Woman at 82. The Impressions Can't Satisfy at 83. Sam and Dave said I wasn't going to tell nobody at 84. The Trade Lips, Mind Excursion at 85. Jerry and the Pacemakers, Girl on the Swing 86. Jackie the Shannon, I Can Make It With You 87. The Full Single Singers, I Can Make It With You at 88. The Dynatones, The Fight Fighter at 89. Booker T and the MGs, My Sweet Potato at number 9. We just heard Bobby Goldsboro. Hurts Me. And it does do all of that. All that talking. Stay tuned, folks. Hour 3 on the way. And we'll get to the number 100 song this week. Back in 1966, we'll count down the top 10 songs this week. In 1959, gotta have little 50s in there too. It's all happening right after the top of the year. Don't go anywhere.
You know, you gotta get your money's worth, you know what I'm saying? See me scraping the can, you know what I mean? The economy is high right now, you know what I'm saying? Inflation, tariff, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get your money's worth. Well, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get your money's worth, you know what I mean? Put a little pepper. See, that's my oil. You can smell that pepper. You can smell that pepper right now. I'm telling you, my beautiful people. You can smell that pepper. That's fresh pepper from the garden, my beautiful people. All right, boom. Make sure I have the right temperature. All right. Boom. Let's get back to what we're doing over here. I got my egg. Thank you, see? Boom, boom. Thank you, Cody. Thank you, Cody. Thank you for the roses. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Enough love to you and your family. Hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Big up yourself, Cody. Enough love and respect. So we get that going. Alright. To get that going. You see my oil? So I look like it's not too hot. You know what I'm saying? Not too hot. You see the boom? Not too hot. So let's get some fried chicken going. Let me get my gloves. Boom, Anjo. Oxtail, no oxtail today, G. No oxtail. Not yet. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. I'll do the oxtail. Maybe next week, you know. Brown stew steak. You know what I'm saying? Here we are. All right, boom. All right, let me get some fried chicken going before I take out those pieces and switch them. It said look delicious. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Can I get it back, please? Can I get my toy back? Can I toy? Why you have to make me right there? It's not your toy. Allison.
All right. Let's get the first batch in there. I gotta take them steak out. You know, I want to burn them. Messing myself up right now. I gotta get them steak out, you know. I want to burn my steak. Alright, this is how we looking right now. Alright, boom. Okay, fried chicken. Fire is a little bit high. Fire is a little bit high. Try to turn it down a little bit. My beautiful people, a little bit high. There we go. All right. So let me. All right, a little bit high in the fried chicken, you know. Don't want that high. You know. There you go. And you see it got brown too quick, you know. I want to take a little more time to get brown there, you know what I'm saying? Not so fast. Oni, bang, big up Oni. Blessings to you on a beautiful Sunday. Thank you, Queen. Blessings to you too as well, man. What's on the menu? Cody, fried chicken, stew steak. You know what I'm saying? Steamed cabbage, dry gungo peas, rice and peas. You know what I mean? Boom. It's a little hot right outside right now. Got me blazing. You know what I'm saying? Sweating a little bit, but you know, trying to get it together. Boom. So I'm frying the steak a little bit to give it a little color. You know what I'm saying? I want to give it a little color, but I'm gonna take it out and get eat ingredients in and you know and stew it down a little bit, you know what I mean? While I'm dealing with the fried chicken, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Alright. So that's how we going right now. That's the fried chicken. That's how we looking right now. All right, see it. Calm the fire down a little bit. You know, see it's not too brown. You know, not too fast. You know. Yo, Tech Food, big up yourself. Calm down a little bit. Calm down a little bit, you know. Bang, thank you, Cody. Thank you very much, Queen. Big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Well, I go and Tech Food. What you making, bro? You know, you don't know. The staple, the fried chicken. Bang. Some steak. You know what I mean? Some brown stew steak. You know what I mean? And some cabbage real quick. You know what I mean? Boom. Let's get it going. It's hot out here, my beautiful people. It's hot. All right? Don't let it burn, please. Don't let it burn. All right, my beautiful people, don't let it burn. Okay, that's what's up. Thank you, my guy. Boom. Race, you're doing a classic. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know, keep it real light today, you know? Keep it real light. Boom. While that's cooking, I'm gonna get some more fried chicken going. While that's cooking. Boom. All right, you have more fried chicken going in the meantime. Thank you, Annie. Thank you for the follow. I got the fried chicken to calm down a little bit. Got to calm down a little bit, you know. Bang. Woo. Still can pull it together, my beautiful people. All right, I'm about to take these out real quick. While I got time, while I got some time to deal with the fried chicken. So that's pretty enough brown already, you know. Let me take those out real quick.
But the easiest way is to just send me an email. It's ghostingsshow@yahoo.com. SHOWYS@yahoo.com. And we're up to number 97. Like I said, some of these songs are on their way up in the charts. Some of them are on their way down. And this one was making its debut. Here's Eddie Floyd with Knock on Wood.
Alright? That's how it look, alright? So watch what I'm gonna do, my beautiful people. Alright, before I add my other ingredients, I'm gonna let it steam a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Watch what I do, okay? Cool. I usually do it like this. Put it all in there, bang. Alright, let me get some more water real quick. Don't let it burn, my beautiful people. Don't let it burn, alright? Let me get some more water real quick. Boom. So add a little water to it. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let it dry out a little bit. Okay. Well, I'm letting that dry a little bit. I'm gonna get to put some peppers and everything in here. I got the fried chicken going. All right, so for my steak, fresh pepper, my beautiful people. Fresh pepper I just picked from the garden. You know what I'm saying? You smell it? It smells very hot. some scallion. Like to crush on my scallion, you know. Like to break it up, get the juice in it. You know what I mean? Pause. Going. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna use that. Bong, 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 baby. Ice out. Big up yourself, Queen. How you doing today? Hope your day is blessed, Queen. You know what I'm saying? On the menu, we got the steak. We got to do some steak today. You don't know the classic fried chicken. Some steamed cabbage, and you know the gungo peas. Well, you know, fried chicken. Bang. Yo, Mitch. Bang, 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 bang. Big up yourself. Your knife skills. You don't know, baby. Ice out. You don't know the vibes. No, that's not farmer's market paper. I'm going to get to farmer's market soon, man. Big up DM. You know what I'm saying? So I got the steak. Got the steak going right now. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So remember I fried it, browned it, you know what I'm saying? Put a little sauce to it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna dry it out a little bit and then add the onions and stuff like that, you know? So I'm gonna let that go in.
That was Lou Rawls at number 99 with Love is a Hurtin' Thing, and I just realized that I had failed to back announce some of the songs we heard. So at number 98, The Grassroots, Only When You're Lonely. At number 97, Eddie Floyd, Knock on Wood. The Shadows of Night at number 96 with Bad Little Woman. Cilla Black and her version of Alfie at number 95. And I have to tell you, that is my preferred version of the song. Jan and Dean fiddle around at number 94, and I think that catches us up. Okay, well, the important thing is we're here. We're here at number 100, the least popular song in America this week, back in 1966. And I have to tell you, this is by far the best recording you've heard all day today, and probably for the next 100 years. Here's Della Reese with her version of It Was a Very Good Year.
So as soon as the rice, where's the rice? Huh? Got the rice right here. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, Vincent, big up yourself, my G. Enough love and respect, man. Enough love and respect. You know what I mean?
Come here, man. Yeah, let's go. We're almost done.
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Everything good?
Yeah, man. You good?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there.
Yeah, one man.
Boom. Always fine. You don't know Vincent. Big up yourself.
Even I want smell so good.
Yeah?
I want smell so good.
Well, I'm cut off my stove. Eh?
I don't like.
Yeah? Me I cook some brown soup steak, some fried chicken.
I want some fried chicken as well.
What do I tell you? That should have been number one this week in every Speaking of onward, we're going to go backwards to 1959 and count down the top 10 songs this week. And at number 10, I told you we would hear them again. Here are Jamaican.
Boom. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the gift. Thank you, Cody. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Thank you for the roses. Thank you, Cody. Thank you very much, Cody. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
When you're ready for the flow, you let me know. Don't forget it, you know. Oh, you ready?
What else you want? No, more
So we're looking. Yeah. That's how we're looking right there. Yeah? So what piece of chicken? Thank you for the roses, Cody. Thank you very much.
Can't go here if you don't get it. You can't go here if you don't get it up.
Boom, boom. Try to get the oil at the right temperature. Mitch, what's the typical work schedule every day? Oh man, work schedule start from 5 o'clock. You know what I mean? From 5 o'clock, bang. Jack will big up himself, big up himself. You know what I'm saying? Monday to Friday, you know I'm at the work. You know what I'm saying? From 5:20 in the morning, early morning vibes. You know what I'm saying? You know on Sundays we do the cooking. You know what I mean? Saturdays, you know. Pretty soon I'm gonna have something for the Saturdays. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know, it's a little busy during the week. You know what I mean? I'm getting some more chicken in there. Trying to get the right temperature, you know. It's all about the right temperature, you know. Right temperature. I need an early morning job. You say you need an early morning job? Well, you work nights? I'm trying to get the right temperature of the oil, you know. Midday. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get the right temperature of the oil. Boom. That's how it's looking on the steak. And then dry it a little bit more. Dry it a little more. You know what I'm saying? Still start frying a little bit, you know? And fried chicken, try to get the right temperature of the oil. You know? Fried chicken? I got you. I got you right there. I got you right there.
That smell there.
I had to fix the temperature, you know.
It's on this week back in 1959, Bobby Darin's version of which was well on its way in September to hit number 1. Now the song at number 7 was written by one half of the Everly Brothers. Here they are with a Don Everly composition featuring Chet Atkins on guitar and Gary Ellison on drums. Here is Tom Kissinger.
Let's just say.
He said, need a morning job? What kind of morning job you looking for? All right, it's hot, you know? I asked for it. Cooking, fried chicken, brown stew steak, cabbage, and rice and peas.
Devin, let me spoon them.
What spoon?
This hour. How much are them here, bro? This hour. It needs one more. Then I will take this.
Take it now? Take it. Right. Can you only do a pop-up restaurant in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, so I could buy some plates? I soon be doing pop-up restaurants. All right. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Maybe next summer. Maybe next summer. I'm gonna do pop-up. You know. Maybe next summer I do pop-up. Next summer, you know?
All 2 years down here.
Yeah?
Make it 2 have two.
I mean bring it.
This man the life. This is the man life.
I mean bring it.
Come.
Why you don't like me?
Want to come with them plate.
When you see me, you don't smile. What's up?
Welcome with food. I'm with the man's food.
That's smelly as well.
Yeah? What? Oh? No, you're not far.
That's good. Them smell
I'm
ya.
going to go with the man's food.
What? I'm gonna come on now.
You can't go my yard, because it's not ready for me now. I'm good.
Hey.
No, it's not ready to know.
How are you ready?
No, it's not ready yet. Not ready yet.
What do you mean not ready?
Not ready yet.
Calm me down.
You just say, what's that?
Renee's up there.
Really go out to the you have to know.
Renee's up there.
You there? What
You know, car.
Yeah, we are ready to set this thing back.
You know, car. Don't you get dirty?
I do.
Yes. Thank you.
You got dirty, not ready.
You're not ready yet.
What you not ready?
You're not, not ready.
Let me know.
All right, my beautiful people. I'm still working. They said, okay. All right.
Well, you come over here, don't call.
What?
What? Alright, now I'm going to plate so you can't see now come here. Now let me plate so you can't
So we got the steak going.
here.
What about the buy two drink now?
I don't want to hear it though.
And we got the fried chicken going.
You know, so now I'm telling you that This my plate, let's just stop. I'm taking it out to make a few times. You know, I'll have to do it.
So the man really plate, Kevin.
Eh?
The man really plate big.
Oh, now what?
Really plate big. Yeah, look at deep, man. Look at deep. Man life. Say hello on the man life. That's some plate.
Hello, power.
Yes.
At least I don't care if it's now, don't you know, because my mother put it just up there. Man ran up there.
So, you know, I got a lot of people coming through right now. You know what I'm saying? What? Got a lot of people coming through right now, so I'm trying to, you know, move it up as fast as I can. All right, so boom, I got that going. I'm waiting till the steak dry out a little bit. Let it dry out a little bit before I add the rest of the season to it. You know.
Who marrying? You don't know who I'm marrying? Nah, who marrying? This is like salsa water with a little alcohol.
Yo, Anjo, bring me the pot now. The flat pot, the skillet. Bring the skillet, man.
What a year this is start. I ain't ask Buddy. Everybody was over there talking and all that. Ain't started to come ask me about pot. Come on, come on. Let's go for the pot, man. Why you doing all of this cooking?
Yeah.
Get all the dust flying up the food. Everything you can buy. Look, it's on here. Yeah. I don't know what. We see what next week. What?
Yeah, so I'm let it dry a little bit more. Fam, what I said, The farmer's market, Reggie. What's up, man? Yeah, I got the cabbage from the farmer's market today. You know.
I don't know what part you talking about. I don't see no part.
Look on it. Look on it.
What part?
The frying pot. The
You got
flat.
frying pot?
The flat one. Yeah.
Which one?
Come on, what's it have so the wall easily.
They give me up for go. Huh?
You put them pepper in it.
Yeah. That's what you smelling. You smelling the pepper. I need I need to try that famous fried chicken. You make it every week. I got you, Queen. As soon as I hit the, I got you, Queen. Don't worry about it. As soon as I hit the road, you know.
This part?
Yeah. You could wash it out, yo. You could wash it out.
The people ever tell about the park all the way. You can't get that park.
You gotta wash it out. I can't cook in that like that. Man.
Why it's not washed already?
Yo, big man. Yo, they put live. Let's have some loose thing. You know, some loose thing.
Why you got storage in a pot that's not washed?
Boom. Wesley, big up. What you cooking, brother? Some steak and fried chicken. You know what I mean? And some steamed cabbage. I'm starting to set up steamed cabbage real quick. You know, and gungo peas. You know, got the steak going right there. Bang.
Drink some now. See what I'm saying? I'm gonna drink some stuff.
The temperature a little hot right now, so I'm trying to keep turning the chicken so it doesn't burn. Ready, say Mark? Yes, sir. Steak, fried chicken is great. I'm about to grill up some chicken and peppers. Bang, big up yourself, Mark. You don't know, Jay. Enough love to you and your family. You know what I mean? Bang.
Look at Richard.
Boom. Let's see. You got it? Bang.
What movie is that?
That's what it is.
Oh,
Everybody start
yeah, Little Richie, yeah.
That's not what I'm big movie, man.
Yeah, I feel like it's so. Yo, bro, you gonna take the pot, yo?
Yo, let me get a little water, man.
Yo, bro, why you always do that? You
get
go back and forth,
yo,
you keep setting in the kitchen.
Let me get a
Bro, why
little.
you don't tell me one thing one time?
Let me get a little water,
You got
man.
me on some errand boy, you just run back.
Yeah. I ain't got you as an errand boy, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, I was
You know what I'm saying?
every time I come back, you tell me go back in the kitchen.
I thought you was
Why
my.
you don't just tell me everything one time?
I thought you were my assistant.
Is there
you know what I'm
anything
saying?
else? Anything else?
Hold on.
Because I'm not going to go back again and then come back to go back again.
I'm just get some water right now.
That's it. That's it?
Yeah, for right now.
No, that's it. I already went for it.
Yeah, for right now.
I have to bring it back.
For right now, it's a little. So you're right. What you say, Mark? Steak gonna be nice. Thank you, Amon Curl. Appreciate that. Yeah, it's tough to find good helpers, man. When you a chef, you know what I'm saying? Everybody just want to eat. You know what I'm saying? see? You got the steak. Huh? You could pull more water, man.
How much
Act
more?
like you're buying the water. Yo,
I thought,
you bought the water?
that was enough water.
Yo,
You want more?
You go pull up to at least to the top. Yo, pull up to the top, man. Come on, man. Act like you buying. Oh, come on, son. Yo, pull up to the top, man. Yo, yeah. Yeah, son. You see how I mean, my people? You know what I'm saying? They say he's not being a good helper. You know what I'm saying? They said Kim on the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm the one in the heat. You know what I'm saying? I can tell he's fired, right? Andrew, you fired. He's fired. Right, I'm missing my football game right now. You know what I'm saying? I just told him, boss lady, bang, 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 bang. Boss Lucy, thank you for the follow, Queen. Okay. I usually add little potatoes, but you know, out today. Nothing is better than sharing. I'm gonna get this fried chicken out. My beautiful people.
You couldn't cut up the chicken swallow.
Oh, here, over there. There's a lot of complaints from you. A lot of complaints. If you want to assist me, and you want a chicken cut a certain way, you could have came by and helped me out. You know what I'm saying?
So I'm doing chicken wings.
Chicken wings? Why don't you bring the chicken wings? Next week, bring some chicken wings. And I cook it, all right? Bring some chicken wings. You got a lot of requests. Bring some chicken wings, and I cook it next week, all right? All against complaints. All right? Get some chicken wings. And I cook it next week, all right? They said you're so good. Multitasking. Thank you. Chicken. When everything is complete, I'll give you some chicken, all right?
Chop off piece.
There you go, you request again.
Chop off and cook it.
When all the chicken is finished, all right? When the chicken is finished, you can have chicken. So I get this young man chicken. One of the other kids, huh? All the kids gonna start coming. You just sitting there and just demanding.
Buy Popeye.
You wanna buy Popeyes? I said blessings. Enjoy your family and food, man. We'll be back in the morning. Thank you, DM. Big up yourself, man. I see you tomorrow morning at 5:20. You know what I'm saying? Andrew, nah, chicken ain't ready. Yo, chicken, yo, listen, man. Listen. Give me where the rest. All right?
something, Buzzy saying, before you something, Buzzy gonna do something.
No, I thought you could give me a little more water,
Why you
son.
ain't ask Buzzy?
Yo, you act like you paying for it, man.
You scared to ask Buzzy? What Buzzy doing?
That's all you do is sit down.
You over here criticizing something.
I guess I ain't getting no more water, right? So I can't get a little more water so I can add in there, please. Please, I'm asking, please. I said please. Yo, son. No, you can't get no chicken right now. You can't get no chicken right now. You can't get no chicken right now, son. You can't get no chicken right now. When the chicken is finished, yo, I said, yo, listen. No, there's no little piece in there, sir. All right, when the chicken is finished, you can have chicken.
Yo, I'm out here working. Since I came out here, I've been working.
No, you only walk inside twice.
3 times.
Let me out.
3 times.
Let me work, all right?
Now, let me take you.
Nah. The steak is not ready yet either.
Chop off beef.
It's not ready. It's not ready.
Chop off beef.
It's not ready. Not ready.
All right, well, I'm gonna sit up.
Yo, can I get the water, please?
Can we trade for something?
Trade what?
I need to sample something.
No, listen. Listen. Nah, it's alright. Nah, it's alright, so. That's somebody's share right there. Nah, it's alright.
No, you couldn't
Dog,
give me that little piece right there.
it's not cooked. You know what I'm saying? I want no lawsuit, turn nobody no uncooked food. You know what I'm saying? Alright? It's not cooked. Not cooked, alright? It's alright. No risk nothing. It's alright. I'm not willing to risk it, alright? Thank you. Yo, son. Son, thank you, son. Thank you, bro. It ain't enough, son. It ain't enough.
Damn, son.
It ain't
Yo,
enough,
don't come to me next week. Don't come to me next week, son. Yeah, don't come to me next week, son.
Listen,
Take off the little piece back in the
listen,
pot,
man.
son.
I can't help you
Yo,
right
bro. Don't knock my door next week, son.
now. Yes,
Yeah. Don't knock my door next week, son. You hear from the sick, yo, you should see a little piece, man, take off back in the pot.
Dog. Yo, you ain't gonna bring the water, Andrew?
Nah, I'm not bringing the water. Ask Buzzy. You don't want to give me none? Or you want me, since I came, I've been working. Back, forth. You could at least treat, this is how you treat your assistants? You just treat like garbage.
Yeah. If I give
garbage,
if
son.
I give you a little piece, what little kid's gonna think? Huh?
Ain't nobody gonna know.
Let a piece out for people.
Yeah, right?
You chop off piece.
Yo,
Piece, chop off people.
let me get a little water, son. Let me get a little water. That's all I'm asking, a little
Let me
water.
get a little piece. That's all I'm saying.
Dog.
Give me a little piece, son.
Dog.
Sample
No, the
something.
thing is not cooked yet, man. It's not cooked yet.
Let me judge that. Let me take off my little. You're supposed to taste it.
Yo, white. Yo, I'm sweating the heat. I'm missing my game right now.
What's it called? Is up.
Yo, stop bringing. Yo, son.
Breaking this little piece right
Don't
here.
bring my look back to land. Watch your man. Nobody give no man.
Because I don't want to break that.
Yeah,
You need to get in that.
I need people.
yo, you're disrespecting the pot right now.
Ah, there you go. See?
Disrespecting the pot right now.
Let me taste it.
Your brother
Yeah, I want to cook a little more.
You want to cook a little more, right? Yo, can I get the water, please? Please, can I get the water? Thank you. Yo, son, crazy. Are you cooking for the family? I was cooking for me. Everybody just show up. They say he's aggressive. They say he aggravating, huh? I know I'm a girl. Tell him to leave the chef alone. When I say used to be BBC mean giving the general a little piece of the chicken. I got you, man. I got you. Where is this? New York. We're in the Bronx.
Who's aggravating?
You, man. Aggravating the whole situation right now.
Listen, I'm helping out.
So the steak is still tough, right?
Yeah, nigga cook a little more.
Alright. That's what I'm saying.
How are you supposed to taste your food while you cooking?
You taste it.
You know what I mean? So that's how you know what's going on.
I know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm hungry, yo.
Hey, can you put a little
Nah. Wait,
That's why I shouldn't give you nuts, son.
good?
All right, my beautiful people. They said I'm a girl. They said, yeah, he's aggravated. Are you cooking for your family or the community? It feel like the community, feel like the community. All right. Okay. I think it's probably gonna hold my cabbage. All right, while that's cooking, they say you need security, right? Right? I feel like it sometimes, man. I feel like it. So now I'm gonna prepare my cabbage real quick.
boy. Joy. I ain't go by it, so we do. What do you know? Eh? The car ain't go by it, we can do it. Boy. Yeah, I do that again. Cabbage.
Music of the Elegance with Little Star. Bob Mars filling in for Mayor Pete, and he'll be back next week. Don't worry. It's Remembering When. I'm happy to be here on a beautiful but warm
Why my chicken cook down here?
This is kind of weird for me. I'm usually here on Saturday.
Yeah.
But,
What?
why not?
Why my chicken cook down?
The memories
You want
of
chicken
music, that's
cooked
what we're
though?
all about, especially today. It's only the music of the 50s and the 60s, and that's on Stretcher Radio.
So you don't put beef here in the pot. They never
That's
cook
to you.
the beef, so never get.
Good on which part?
In that pot, it's steak pot.
I hate when things fall off.
Huh?
Alright? Both my beautiful people. Alright? Carrot. I think it's gonna fit in here. A little ching one wing. A little ching one wing. Buzz, we get some water. A little onion powder.
I'll buy one. Yeah. We'll buy some. So we'll buy some. What are you doing there? Where you come from? I'm going to know you. Yes, I'm going to come out here to get that. Around me. All right, man, I'll go down here.
I know I was working on your schedule.
Remember, make ready.
Is that Jamaican cooking? Yes, yes.
Not tell her the words, guys.
Excuse me? Yo, I'm gonna get some water. All right, my beautiful people. I can't get no assistance, so I gotta get the water myself.
Come, Father. Father, come.
Where I go with that? Sorry, I go get my water.
So that's it, I tell you.
Sorry. I get my water. Thank you.
What are they? Look out the pipe.
boom there? Boom, I don't want it. Like fun.
You know what I want to say. Right. You don't know how to do the break one for that. You don't know what I got.
Boom. All right. Yes, my beautiful people. Got a little crazy for me right now. But here trying to calm it down a little bit, you know. I got the steak going. Got the steak going.
My love to me.
So that's how it's looking. I'm gonna let it dry out, you know.
That's something I want butter bean.
You got butter bean? Do you have butter bean?
No?
All right. So go if you want butter bean, go get butter bean and bring it come. You got a lot of suggestions, but your hands is empty. All right. If you want butter beans, you want to add butter beans, get some butter beans.
I don't
bring come. All right.
My work is
Hey, now you. Right? Everybody want to add to my ingredients. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't planning to put no butter beans in there, but everybody want to create the add their own ingredients, huh? See what I gotta do with my beautiful people? Get a lot of requests, a lot of demands. You know what I'm saying? And not, they come with their empty hands. Yes. You see what I gotta go through, my beautiful people? I noticed when I use the egg and the it do something to the oil, you know what I'm saying? It made the oil frothy, you know what I'm saying? Then when I don't use the egg, on the chicken, the oil is a little bit different. When I do use the egg, it make the oil a little frothy. I don't like that. Right, I don't like that, you know? Yes, my beautiful people, you know what I mean? I hope you're enjoying your Sundays. Hope y'all enjoying y'all Sunday, my beautiful people. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate y'all here with me. You know what I mean? It's always a pleasure. You know what I'm saying? Start a little late today. You know what I mean? Hopefully next week I'll be able to get it together a little more organized. You know, and start a little bit earlier. You know what I'm saying? The sun is beaming right now. still hot out here in the Bronx. You know, I missed my first game today. You know, I'm a little bit sad, but you know, I'm glad I'm here with you though. You know what I'm saying? I'm here with y'all, so you know what I mean. I'll make up for it next week. You know what I mean? Bang. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody that making Sunday dinner for the family. If you went to church today, hope you have a wonderful time at church. You know what I mean? I hope y'all pray for me too. You know what I mean? I could use all the prize I could get. You know? Yeah. Oh? The food gonna be done? Hopefully by 4 o'clock, you know? We'll see.
What's the game today?
Huh?
What's the game today?
My game going on right now. I'm missing the game right now. Missing the game right now. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna solve that problem. You know, you see how, you know, when I use the egg, you see how it froths up with the flour, you know? So I'm gonna see how, you know, I'm gonna work that out. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, you know, let me see how I'm gonna work that out. I like to see inside the pot, you know what I'm saying? I like to see inside the pot, you know? So I got a lot of oil in there, you know, it's not the oil.
And it's when you buy it back.
No, you bite back.
Open back.
Yeah.
You want string beans in there now.
You got string beans? You got string beans?
No, I don't know, man.
I guess the singer's determination to find his love wherever she
Now you want add butter beans, huh?
Yeah, then you know,
detective work. I think we've all done
Then
it.
give the job what I mean now.
A song written by Jerry Lieber and
I'm never see it
Stoller
from the final
specifically for the Coasters, released as
The
a
throw up
single
in water.
in March
They don't want to throw up the water. You don't want to throw up the water.
Well,
Yeah.
it also
Get
reached
straight
number
out.
3.
Something like that, they say it's about to be done. Throw it in the garden.
I think I saw on plant grow.
I mean, if I supply it.
You need the seed.
I've been that, if you throw that in there, 2 of them being there, you're frightened to see. You have been through next year. They don't think you'll take long to do.
We ain't trying to grow no butter beans right now.
Oh.
We ain't trying to grow no butter beans right now.
For Decca Records back on January 1st of 1960.
Well, you must think this is some oxtail or something.
Worked on January 1st.
All right, my beautiful people, I'm add some butter beans. You know what I mean? As they requested. Nigel, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Bang.
This week, Pete will be back next week.
So how did it say?
Just holding down
Bye, bye,
for this Sunday.
Make sure you bring it back.
I can't say it enough. Thank you so much for supporting this radio station.
Why do you get better?
89.1
Yeah, no, you asked. No, you asked, so I poured in already. Right? The guy requested butter beans. Add some butter beans. You see how the cooking go, right? You see how it goes, right?
We've got great news for you. It lives on a little bit longer for 2 weeks on the show archives. That's on our website. You just go online to wfdu.fm. You click archives. That's where you're going to find all the shows that aired over the past 2 weeks. Now, each file has a playlist, and you can easily, very easy to operate. You easily scroll through the show, and if there's a certain part that you want to hear, boom, press that button. Hey, it's just another.
So I'm going to let that cook until they get really soft. All right? This is how it looks right now. Let's simmer down. Anything else you want to add? Hey, what's up, Junior? Yeah, dude.
Yeah, afraid the chicken is cook out there.
Yeah, you know. I try to think, you know. Try to think, dude. So, what's church?
It's good, man.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, no. Boom. Alright. Let me get some more chicken going.
Oh yeah, the video where you cook.
Yeah.
And where you post it?
Huh?
Where you post it?
TikTok, Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get viewers?
Yeah. Yeah, I do it too.
How much man go home? I'm have to go back to church better. Oh, you
Yeah,
just
church
start.
later.
Yeah, you just start. You know, say
Yeah,
long.
I've been here at 1 o'clock.
So where are the chicken that we fry?
Eh?
Where are the chicken that we fry?
That's it right there, you know?
A long time I don't eat fried chicken now.
Yeah, that's it right there. So, fried chicken every week.
Yeah?
Yeah. Every week is fried. Every week, you know?
Okay.
Fried time, you know? And make something else. You know? So today I got some steak and I do it today.
Steak?
Yeah.
Oh, you make a steak.
Yeah?
Oh, you make a steak.
Stove down.
Oh, yeah. That's
Yeah.
good.
You know? So, yeah, you know? I stewed down a little bit there.
Always a cook.
Yeah. Always cooking, right?
Always a
Always
cook.
cooking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wanted to start a little bit earlier, but you know, it didn't work out that way. It didn't work out, you know? Around the gas, around the, you know, so I usually try to start earlier so I can finish by 1 o'clock, but it didn't work out that way today. But I'm almost done.
You need a bigger pack of fry though.
Yeah, for fried chicken, right?
Yes.
Maybe that's why it's frying up, so.
Then you got fry and then you fry more.
Yeah. You know? Maybe that's why it's frying up.
WFDU Retro Radio.
Where is your daughter?
Huh? Oh, sure. At my house. Yeah, at my house.
She come by now and then?
Yeah.
Man not left you out, huh?
No, yeah, he every day.
Man not
Yeah,
left you out, that's
yeah,
all.
he's here every day. Every day, yeah.
Yeah, man not leave you, man.
He came through here the last cookout we had.
Yeah. Yeah, you miss him.
Yeah, everybody good, man. Yeah, and I want to catch a football game today, you know, but
You want to play?
yeah,
You want to play?
the Jets is playing right now. The Jets and the Ravens. I got some cabbage, you know. Put some cabbage inside.
You know what?
Yeah? Steamed cabbage.
So you cook every Sunday?
Yeah. Yeah. Every Sunday. You know? Every Sunday. Every Sunday. Yeah. Good.
I will go around there because I have to go back to church tomorrow.
Go? Alright.
Alright, cuz. Now later, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, what have your chicken, carrot? A napkin.
Just do that. Go and sleep.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man. You done
Yeah,
that.
this evening. Cool on.
Alright.
And it lives here with Little Richard all around the world. It's remembering when the music of the 1960s,
Yes, my beautiful people.
and we're growing bigger.
You know how it goes on a Sunday.
It's Retro Radio.
You know how it goes on Sunday.
WFDU with the Falcons.
Try to finish cooking one time, but you know it's not happening. Not what happening. Alright? Give me 1 second, my beautiful people. One second, my beautiful people. Don't let my fried chicken burn. So you know how I go, my beautiful people.
Where was it?
I don't know. This how it goes every Sunday, my beautiful people. Try to, you know? They cook, they take. They cook, I take, they take, you know? So I could never cook for myself on a Sunday, you know? I always gotta make enough food, my beautiful people. So if I want to take a break and say, no, I'm not cooking this Sunday, I get a lot of complaints, you know? So my day never stops. So how y'all feeling today? I hope y'all feeling well. Y'all feeling well on the Sunday? Big up yourself, you know what I mean? Enough love to you and your family on this wonderful Sunday, my beautiful people. You know what I mean? We gotta thank God that we here. You know what I'm saying? Let's appreciate the day. You know what I mean? I know Monday we back at it again. Back at it again, you know what I'm saying? Back to the work, back to the grind. You know what I mean? So hopefully everybody get a chance to relax themselves today, you know what I mean? Trying to have my chance to relax a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully after the finish cooking by 4 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? I got the steamed cabbage going, you know? Yeah. Y'all like the music? Let me know if y'all like the music. So, you know? So I cook it till it's soft, my beautiful people. Cook it till, till it's soft. So I like my steak very soft. You know what I mean? Yes, the music is fine. Oh, thank you, Arnie. Thank you.
WFDU Retro Radio.
Can't put the water in the fridge. You have the fridge here and the water there. You can't put the water in the fridge.
Why you can't buy the water and put in the fridge?
Oh.
Yo. Yeah, you got a lot of suggestions. Why you can't buy the water and put in the fridge? Huh?
Why? I'm going to find 50 like tomorrow or 50 make a whole drink. Nah, but that's not one, man. Sometimes it makes sense to that 20 again.
All right, my beautiful people.
Right, going back more to the car. See if everything. You know, that's all good.
Why did they have to take no one up, not 2 and 3 sitting by their yard?
And well, we're rounding up a long set of music. Yeah, all from the 50s, all from the 60s. Yeah, the Regents actually were an American duo vocal group from New York, actually in the late 50s, and then they kind of spilled over into the early 1960s. They are best known for that one right there, the hit Barbara Ann, which they actually recorded in 1958, but they held on to it for a couple of years, which I don't know why, but they released it in 61, and that's when, you know, it rose to the top. It reached number 13, actually, on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. Yes, they did form in the Bronx in New York in 1958. And like many doo-wop songs, the lyrics to Barbara Ann, well, you can say they're extremely simple, even trivial. And that's the way I like them. Yeah, the singer is smitten by a girl whom he met at the dance. He expresses that, well, Barbara Ann is superior to all other girls with whom he had danced with. So, we don't know what happened after that, but hey, my heart, that's me. It's remembering when. It's the music of the 50s and the 60s, and here's where they live on. I'm filling in for Mayor Pete this week. Pete will be back next week, I promise you. I'm kind of just holding down the fort for this Sunday, but hey, big news, if you haven't heard it, a beloved radio icon, that's right, a radio icon is joining WFU's Retro Radio on Sunday, September 21st, so next Sunday now.
All right, thank you for not letting it burn, my beautiful people. Thank you very much.
CSFM and WWRL, and he's bringing the magic to WFU, that's right, New York City's very own
Chicken.
Huh?
Not chicken.
No, not yet. Soon, all right?
smooth harmonies, I'm telling you, smooth harmonies, soulful vibes, and a classic Bobby style that I know you love. Now, we'll never forget the 21st night.
You see the pressure I'm under, my beautiful people.
It's the premiere of the Dinner Corner with Bobby J from 5 to 7 p.m. only at 89.1 FM WFU, and we're streaming live and loud. You know the deal on WFU.FM. Hey, it's the station where radio legends.
Yeah, I want fried chicken. I want 6.
Huh?
Can I have fried chicken, please?
Oh, fried chicken's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. All
Oh
right?
my
I need
that's
some.
That's fried chicken right behind you.
I know it's behind me, but
Is
when
there hot dogs?
no, it's no hot dogs. No hot dogs.
Of
All right?
course there is.
Fried chicken's not ready. I know you see fried chicken behind me, but when all the fried chicken is finished, that's when everybody be able to get fried chicken. All right?
Fried chicken? You only have fried chicken?
I have other things too. I have steak. I have rice. I got cabbage. You want some cabbage? Want some steamed cabbage? No steamed cabbage. I got steamed cabbage ready. Y'all want steamed cabbage? I'll give you. You allergic to steamed cabbage? All right. So what I got ready right now is steamed cabbage. All right, steamed cabbage. Huh. It never get easy, my beautiful people. It never get easy. All right, boy. Now the kids is here. They're back again. Boom. So I got the fried chicken. This is the last batch of the fried chicken. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, Palm Beach, big up yourself. Yo, me G, what's good? You know, I'm chilling, my guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here cooking once again on the Sunday. You know what I mean? Try to get it, try to get it done. So hopefully I could be done by 4 o'clock. You know what I mean? That's the goal. But I think probably go a little longer than that, maybe 4:30. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I got the last batch of fried chicken going right now. So as soon as that finish, the only thing I gotta wait on is the steak, and the steamed cabbage. Then I'm gonna sit down and chill. You know what I mean? Try to enjoy the rest of the day. Just like with everybody else. You know what I mean? Cause we're back at it again tomorrow morning. You know what I mean? 5:20. Remember, my beautiful people, 5:20 early morning vibes. We here again. You know what I mean? We here again. So I had a late start today, You know what I'm saying? I had a lot of complications. I ran out of gas, you know what I mean, with the stove, you know what I'm saying? I have to run out, go to Home Depot, get some gas and come back, you know what I mean, and start cooking, So hopefully, you know what I mean, I can get it together much better next week, They said just got to work, about to do this tour until 11:30 off tomorrow. Bang, big up yourself, Palm Beach. You know what I mean? Do your thing, man. You know what I mean? Have a blessed day at work, my G. You know what I'm saying? Have a blessed day at work, you know what I mean? They said 11:30, yeah? Well, at least you're off tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But remember, catch me tomorrow, 5:20, you probably sleeping. You know what I mean? On your day off. Big up yourself, Mr. Palm Beach. You know what I'm saying? Getting it in on a Sunday. Bang. That's the steak, my beautiful people. Check if it long I can rip it. I say, coming good, right? Thank you, Orlando. Thank you very much. That bar make some white rice now. I make a lot of rice, Huh? I make a lot of rice. Well, I got steamed cabbage.
And I have a big pot of rice.
Oh, okay.
Big pot of rice and rice and peas for China.
Alright.
You know, and the rice and peas for China.
Alright, okay. Don't ask for mine though, right?
If you want to sell it rice and peas, you go to the pot.
Yeah, I'm busy right now.
Yeah. Well, we'll take up the Chinese.
All you guys criticism.
Yeah?
All you guys criticism.
You show them your rice and peas.
Yeah, what about my rice and peas?
You have to show people in that too. Yeah, man, take a look at it.
It's alright. You've seen already. Yeah, sure got a lot of critiques. You sure? I said, Cody, food isn't done until the chef says done. That's right, Queen. You know what I mean? Yo, chocolate chip, bang, 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 bang. Yo, big up yourself. Beautiful day to cook out and grill. You know what I mean? You done know chocolate chip. Big up yourself on the Sunday. You know what I mean? Yo, Tivia, bang, 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 bang. Big up Tivia. Big up the Queen. You know what I'm saying? Big up the Nubian. You know what I mean? Enough love to you, Queen. Hope your Sunday is blessed, you know what I'm saying? Hope you have a wonderful day today, Queen. Manners and respect, you know what I'm saying? Manners and respect. Yeah, Cody, you know what I mean? You gotta tell him, Cody. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Tivia. Yeah, so I'm making fried chicken. You know what I mean? A little steak today. Some steamed cabbage,
jerk pork.
No jerk pork. No jerk pork. Alright? No jerk pork. Yeah. I made jerk pork. Yeah? Alright. No, it's alright. Alright, so the only thing I don't like with the maybe I gotta get, they said I'm cooking too, fried pork chops, baked mac and cheese, and corn on the cob. Huh? Yo, shout out Tibia. You know what I mean? That's what's up, Queen. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, you know what I mean, on a Sunday. It's a lovely Sunday dinner. You know what I mean? You know, your family should be pleased. I like my food extra spicy. Bang, big up chocolate chip. You know what I mean? You gotta have the spice in it, man. You gotta have the spice in it. You know what I mean? You gotta have the spice in it. It ain't right without the spice, you know? So you see, it's always fraud up, you know? I think it's the egg. The egg causes it to fraud up, my beautiful people. But you know, we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. No spice for me. You don't like spice, Tibia? Yeah. Well, I think that's my stuff I'm bringing inside, you know. They don't like spice. You know? Man. Yeah, man. So I'm almost finished. Almost finished. Not too much sometimes, but I get acid reflux too. Okay, I understand. Acid reflux ain't no joke. You know what I mean? I have me fighting for life. I know, right? Acid reflux ain't nothing to joke with, man. Them stomach pains ain't no joke, man. It ain't no joke. Not at all, you know? Best up to you, though. Yeah. What's it up? Taking the season up, you know? You know? Rebecca, come here. Boom. Maybe I gotta get now. I gotta probably get a bigger pot for my fried chicken. You know.
It's one of those tender ballads.
Maybe I gotta get a bigger pot.
That perfectly captures the innocence and sweetness of early rock and roll songs. I think that's what they're going for. I think they hit the mark. Those were a Philippines group, and while they didn't have a ton of hits,
so you know, boom.
actually earned them a solid place in doo-wop history.
Y'all be careful out there now. Be careful. The kids going crazy right now, my beautiful people.
It's remembering my music in the 50s and the 60s. They live down here. I'm filling in for Mayor Pete. We'll be back. Don't worry, I promise you. And hey, thanks for coming along for the ride, because you know, we couldn't do what we do without you. Thanks for supporting this radio station, 89.1 FM WFBU. Yeah, the new programming.
So you know, almost finished. I was trying to be done by 4:30, 4 o'clock. So maybe 4:30. Maybe 4:30. You know, the steak is pretty much soft right now. You know, so I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit more. You know, and then you know that's it. You know, I get the cabbage on. You know, so I really pre-cook it a little bit inside. So
Hey, put it out.
And then we have the social
Hey, off my
Jam
footer.
at 7, that's 7 to 10 p.m. And then rounding out your Sunday, 10 to 1 a.m. Traditions with Ron Olisco. So there you have it. It's the new Sunday lineup, and it's going to start next Sunday, September 21st. Every time you tune in, they make my day better. WFDU Retro Radio.
You wanna jump, girl? Johnny Hall.
can't. Orlando, thank you for the heart, me man. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Enough love to you, man. Thank you very much. So it's pretty still a little hot out here, you know, but I got a little wind going, so it's pretty cool, you know. Crazy, I can't see the chicken right now. But you say, Orlando, I'm watching a fried chicken. Make me want to get some. You know what I'm saying? They say, watch it. Thank you, man. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't easy to fry the chicken today, you know? As soon as I fry, everybody taken. Thanks for the chili. Appreciate you, Orlando. Thanks for the chili. You know, as soon as I fry, they take, you know? As soon as I fry, they take. Let me get the extension. What's it get the extension cost, you know? Let me plug up my phone real quick, my beautiful people. My phone about to die. Let me plug up real quick. Give me 1 second, my beautiful people.
I'm sure Leroy give out the funeral. Right now, no funeral. Leroy give out the funeral.
Sorry, my beautiful people. My phone's about to die, you know, so I gotta plug it up real quick.
WFDU Retro Radio.
Yeah, that's the steak. You see, it's pretty soft. I could, you see, I could break it. You see, so I could break it apart. So it's pretty soft, you know. So it's pretty soft. So it's pretty much done, you know, the steak, you know. Thank you, Orlando. So the gravy is pretty thick. Boom. Can't see my fried chicken, you know. You gotta be playing the guessing game.
I beg you. They beg you, they capture. I know for the spirit.
You bring a plate?
No, I'm not bringing it.
So, you know, just
Yeah, stay away from any Sue, Susie, Susanna, you know those. Hey, thanks for joining me this afternoon, Bob Morris. Filling in for Mayor Pete. This is hour number 2. Hour 1 just flew by. Hour 2 of Remembering When. We're kicking it off now with the very best music and memories of the 1950s
Boom.
and 60s.
Do you want coffee?
Sorry about that. You can send it back again. The fried chicken a little challenging, my beautiful people. It's a little bit challenging, but hopefully I get it, you know? So as soon as I get the fried chicken done, you know, or it's 4:04, you know, so we're almost there. We're almost there, my beautiful people. 4:04. So hopefully, you know, before 4:30, I could wrap it up. Probably burn a couple of them. So people, it's natural cooking, you know what I'm saying? It come with all the complications, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, you see how it go. I hope I ain't burn the chicken, you know what I mean? 'Cause I can't see inside of it. I was playing a guessing game right now.
No, please, Mom.
So I gotta figure out how I could fry the chicken without it frying up so much. I think it's the egg, you know? When I don't use egg, you know, it didn't happen like this before.
Alright, so we put it, yeah. Put your in this, but I want to fry.
Yeah?
Put your in this, but I want to fry. Alright, fried chicken and stuff.
Well, rice too?
No, what you think the carrots?
Well, that's it.
You have enough rice?
No, yeah.
Alright, just no, that's the one. You should get the rest. You know, you're not.
Oh, you want a fried chicken?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know, I don't know how that works. Like I said, yeah, just really from the cabbage. Whatever, pick up the cabbage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just Sunday, correct. You understand?
Yeah.
Have a lot of food.
Be careful. Well, I keep turning it, my beautiful people, to stop it from. Thank you for the heart, me, Ani. Thank you. Thank you very much, Queen. I appreciate you, Ani. Thank you for the gift. Enough love to you.
You don't want to.
You see? So I think the gravy is, my beautiful people. So I think the gravy is. All right, so I'm gonna take that off. Oh, that look good. Thank you, Tibia. Appreciate you.
Kevin, next Sunday, I'm gonna come earlier so I can get my steak, okay?
All right, I got you.
Because they're taking too long.
They're taking
I'm about
too
to
long?
die.
Are you leaving now?
Yeah.
Well, it's
Like
all-
4:30ish.
All right, I should be done before that.
You gonna be done before that?
Yeah.
Let me pour some of this.
Give me 1 second, my beautiful people.
You seen the options? I don't care like there.
Anna, when does the first thing I think, right? I can't believe you, man.
And you got the sounds and the music of the magnificence up the mountain. Yeah, remembering when music of the 50s, the 60s, and hey, join the growing WFDU
Well,
Retro Radio family. Right here, 89.1 FM. We're streaming all over the world.
Okay, that look good. He said, friend, you're not, what's it, bubbling today? They're not bubbling today, huh? Yeah, kind of cool, you know? You say it's not bubbling, huh? And also got the steamed cabbage. The steamed cabbage right there, you know. That's a cabbage and mac and cheese. Oh, just cabbage, just cabbage. Oh, I need some of that. Yeah, I decided me a little cabbage today, you know.
I know, I told Kevin already I'm gonna wait for the steak. I told Kevin already that I was gonna wait for the steak.
Do you also supply the food? Yes. 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 Boom. The fried chicken is done, my beautiful people.
Bum bum.
I can look her up easily than you're struggling right now. Okay, see how I
And yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Wait for my cabbage right now, my beautiful people. Where's that? Oh, so you like me do some shopping and the cooking? That'd be nice. Wow. They say, Ami, you're a blessing to many. Thank you, Ami. I appreciate that, Queen. Appreciate that. Bomb, that's the, the cabbage. Keep an eye on the cabbage for me.
Oh, and look, there's one right here. Yeah, no, there's maybe one like this. Tomatoes. Look, there's Zoe right there. It's gonna make sense because I live around I'll give you the most
You know how Miss Patricia is. She don't want you to eat out of that. Come here, your mom gave me this. She don't want me to eat my big plate, I guess. That's for my steak. She's like, where are you going to put the rest of your stuff?
All right.
So we done? Right, Right. This, I think this is about this big.
And round number 7 song set, yeah. I couldn't pull that off in 20 minutes on a Saturday, yeah.
So when Renee called out, kicked out the power
Music of
guy.
the 1950s and the show
It's well, my Lord, bless you abundantly. Thank you, Army. Thank you, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. What,
Say
Renee?
fine to Uncle.
Yeah.
That is it. Hello. Tavy on here? Oh, she is.
One of the best known duo songs. Yeah, it is Still the Night, also subsequently titled In the Still of the Night. A song written by Fred Paris and recorded by his band, The Five Satyrs, back in the year 1956. Now, originally the song was titled I'll Remember in the Still of the Night. It's a distinction song from Paul Boyers in the Still of the Night.
You have the jam of your
Renee, that's the food almost starts already there. Welcome, son.
All right, my beautiful people. Hey, yeah, she just left. She come back.
On 3 separate times by the same artist with the same version each time. Yeah. After initially reaching number 24 in 1956, it was then re-released again in 1960. And then the hat trick reached number 81, and then one more time a year later in 1961, reached number 99. Nobody knows why, but hey, they keep putting it out there. So
So now, my beautiful people, I'm gonna make the plate real quick. All right. Let me make the plate. Give me 1 second.
And, you know, we got a lot going on here. All right, the lot going on the station is thriving, it's moving, it's shaking, and I want to hear from you. Anything from the 50s and 60s, upbeat. I want upbeat. Okay? Okay.
Are you ate already? I know that's why you said it was nice. I wasn't all right. Here.
All right, my beautiful people. Time to make the plate. All right.
That one got it. I want to do that.
There you go, my beautiful people. Finally completed. All right. I didn't make a crazy plate today, you know, because a lot of people. Well, it's is that oxtail? No, it's steak. It's steak, Tibia. Oh, I'm waiting. Yes, steak. Yes, I take one of anyway. Big up yourself, Queen. You don't know. Yo, Almond girl. That's it. I hope you make a little container to take to lunch tomorrow. You know, it's not gonna work out. It's all gonna be done by tonight. As soon as I step up, it's gonna be completed. So I won't have nothing to take to work. Bang, you see the plate? You know what I mean? Yes. That's it. Big plate, right? You don't know. Huh?
She don't eat meat.
Yeah. Oh, you eat meat?
Yeah, she just wants the steak.
All right. I'll eat that. I'll eat that. All right, boom. All right, my beautiful people. You don't know. All right. Yes.
Yeah, I did bring that. I don't eat it. You know what I'm saying? I'm eating it because it's here, but I don't.
So they say, what you want? You want rice and what? Rice and steak?
Yeah. Not a lot. Like I wonder what cook I'm doing. I don't know. The only time I eat it is like when her is cooking. Like I don't cook that for myself. I don't my what that is?
You want cabbage?
Chicken though. Yes. That's what I'm saying. Like, people don't understand. I'm allergic to fish, so it's not like a lot of fish. You know what I mean?
Hey!
Like a regular fish. So that's what I said.
It's ready.
Huh?
It's ready.
What's ready?
This.
Yeah.
It
Hey,
has the chicken, fried chicken.
you want fried chicken?
Yeah.
All right, let's do fried chicken. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right. All right.
Can I have chicken?
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, play.
Oh yeah, yeah. All right.
Did he play? Zoe, get up on what? Zoe.
Hi, Mama.
Go. Stand up. Stand up. There you go.
What's that?
Here you go.
What's that?
Give it to
I
him.
can't hear what, you know.
Look, Ethan.
Oh, Stop! That was my scooter.
Well, you're going to your phone
You
too,
put
right?
me ever for mommy. No, what did I get for you? What did I get for
You
you?
want fried chicken? You great plate.
He took my scooter.
You took your scooter.
That's the chicken, right? Just one piece.
One piece.
He took my scooter.
You want the scooter, Zilla?
No, he
There you
might
go.
have the scooter.
Take that, take
Might
that.
have the scooter for
Say
mommy.
thank you. Say thank
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everybody, well, I'm pumping. Well, I'm, yeah, there you go. Well, I'm buying your plate.
you. Sit down.
Well, I'm buying your plate, too. Look at the scooter, you get chicken. Look at the scooter. No more scooter, right?
Go up here. See there.
There you go. All right.
Food done, everything done already?
Yeah, everything done. A lot of food, right? I said worth the wait. Mr. Drive, I'm about to fly into LaGuardia. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Mr. Drive. Where's a big plate?
That was a big plate, yeah.
Where's a big plate? Where is your bossy? Man, get your plate, man.
Yeah, you sound like my security guard.
But I man. Sorry, man.
How are you? I'm good. Yeah. Meme? Hello? Where Renee there?
Renee, upstairs, upstairs, I think.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, big old pit and if you want to see me down, big old pit. Right, man? Wait, just wake up. Just smile, man. Yeah? Tired? Where are you for tired?
I'm Zoe.
Yeah?
Been outside all day.
Do what? What do what? You driving what? Where at work?
Driving around. Places to be at.
Driving around?
Yeah, have different places to go to.
What do what? Talk to people? Better start run through while you drive going and talk to people and make some money.
Rock on this one. For the button.
Oh, okay.
What?
No man, none of that stuff.
Tell him.
This good, alright? We don't be greedy to the not good.
Tell him.
So easy.
I have to get to the side by door.
How much rice?
Hold on, can I talk for myself?
Who's playing
No,
this
no,
song?
no, 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 that.
Nobody not eat upstairs.
No, no, no.
Nobody not eat this upstairs. After them slim.
It's a stick and stick, yeah? It's a stick and grill. That's it. See, when they come with that big old bag, yeah, that's it, man. That's it.
Your food is upstairs. How you upstairs and down here? That's not his plate is upstairs already. Matter of fact. Jeez,
It's about balling your name down in the house. I'm getting chicken. She sent me for chicken.
Want chicken?
She just sent me for chicken.
You know where you are with the walk with that supermarket? No. That's it.
Alright, you take it back.
They want
Your mom sent me for chicken for the kids.
the kids?
Yeah, she already have rice, she said. Hi guys, I'm back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, what tell them?
Yeah? How many?
You don't.
What?
So leave it. Kevin, this.
Renee, make it.
Where rice?
Rice? Right here.
But comfy, I look at something, Kevin. I'm gonna let them finish the rice.
Take, go get a plate.
Where the plate is there?
You make fun?
You can make him a plate.
Wait, Renee have a plate.
Your plate is on the table.
What the heck? Alright, Kevin, I'll take two. One for Zane and one for
I'm
Philip.
literally gonna talk to you. this from? Where you get that from? Because you
What
just
is that?
have one
So Addison
something.
eat already? Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright.
Where's the other one?
In your house.
Take,
It was too big for me.
take some bar.
It was too big.
Go get a plate for Auntie Marge.
That's right here.
That's Auntie Marge?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. I didn't want to take it for Auntie Marge.
Just find the bees
You
away.
have rice, Kevin?
You get rice
You
upstairs.
got rice upstairs?
I don't know.
I think so.
So, bro.
Oh, alright, go.
If I don't get you, I don't come to you no more, bro. I swear to God, son. What you said? I'm not.
Drew, there's rice upstairs?
What are you talking about? Where the leg them? No leg in here, my God. I'm not
I forgot you was here. son.
No leg?
Ah,
No more leg left?
no more leg. No more leg.
Damn, Owen!
Yeah.
Look what's happening.
So go ahead, Andrew. Andrew, go ahead, son. Go ahead, get the rice.
That's it.
Andrew,
You still feel
there's more rice upstairs?
Yeah, so.
Alright.
Renee, yo, why you touching on every chicken, yo?
I did not, man. I ate all of the leg.
If I really have plate, why am I really done it?
Owen, don't watch
you to take your
me,
food,
man.
I'm a guest.
It's shit for the father?
I did not. Oh, they beat up the one out of the leg. That's it. Cabbage nice.
Okay.
It's like teenage heartbreak stuff.
You got more rice
Right there, looking you right in the face. Singer's kind of hoping whispering bells are going to bring his lover back. And those bells
Don't be bad, dummy.
well, they mimic the sound you can hear
Let me make my dad a plate.
which adds just to the whole feel of it. Don't you
But-
think? Yeah, whispering bells.
Look at Bon Bon is
The
left.
soaring background of harmonies.
You gotta get him rice from upstairs.
The Vikings, yeah, those two Vikings.
Yo,
There's no more rice upstairs. I'm making my dad a plate. Owen, stop watching.
Put his meat and thing in there and then get the rice from inside.
That's his plate?
No, I forgot you was here, son.
Now you forgot.
I forgot.
Forget me in the morning when you do the little axe thing. Just forget me that time. Alright, forget me that time.
Hey y'all.
I did send it. Alright, you know what? Don't worry about it. Nah, that's cool. Don't worry about it. Huh?
Fried chicken?
How are you?
All right, Andrew.
Oh,
All right, that's enough. No more eating the one of the chicken. No, he ain't getting no chicken.
Kevin, I gave out all the chicken already. You ain't eat no chicken?
Owen, you better, Andrew, give him a
You
chicken.
get everybody's dogs. Yo, it don't matter.
Yes, I gotta make more fried chicken. I gotta make more fried
You
chicken.
gotta make more chicken.
Wait, give me nothing. I get
Take some cabbage,
I
son.
get bun rice, a little side piece of chicken. How much piece Owen get?
You got an eye tell me.
Don't tell me you got a whole bowl.
No rice.
Nah, you know what?
That's
got
all
two plates.
greedy folks, right? I hope you're good too, man. I eat last, you know. I really got much. That's how you know food is good. Thank you, Tanisha.
Fried chicken.
Make sure Owen next week.
Do a whole lot of fried chicken. My dad don't got no rice, but he eat the cabbage. Made up the everybody get
That one nigga that's sick. Yo, nigga, this. Yo, your mom and me,
That's all.
yo,
I'll do
just me
everything.
that. That's what I'm
You
saying.
fry more chicken?
No, I ain't
Eat the wood, you get the wool out of the chicken.
They kept on eating chicken while I'm cooking.
Look, Mama, where's she going?
There's no more food. Yeah, go play. Eh? You want?
Try to get some rice. No. Yeah. Yeah. The fireplace nice.
Play right there, bud. Don't say you want
Very nice. Yeah. I'm gonna try to get some rice. Yeah. This is nice.
You want more rice?
The rice is finished there.
You want rice?
Yeah.
Have rice up there.
All right.
Alright, sour rice up there, please. You come. Okay?
You don't have no picture, Owen?
Alright, you
You don't have no picture?
I could have.
No, this son gonna get you play.
I could have went to foodies and got more than this.
Say with the foodies.
Got a little 50.
Yo, you got, at least you got some.
Nigga.
No, at least you got some.
Now
Now
I
that
got the bottom of the pot. So.
all right, my beautiful people, you know.
Take out my plate and put it together for me at least.
I forgot you was here, son. I totally forgot you was here. I totally forgot. Yo, I eating people chicken, son. All right, my beautiful people. They said make you a plate. Everything is finished. Everything is finished. They finished everything. All right. Until next time, my beautiful people. Hopefully, in the next week Sunday, God willing, you know, I see y'all soon. You know what I mean? Enough love and respect. You know what I'm saying? Remember, Monday morning, 5:20 early morning vibes. I'm back again. You know what I mean, my beautiful people? Bang. Kanisha, up. Bang, 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 bang. You don't know, Queen. Big up yourself. I said, 2 train, burn up. 4 train, burn up. 5 train, burn up. 6 train, burn up. D train, we don't take D train, people. I'd rather take the bus. You know what I'm saying? Bang. See y'all soon, my beautiful people. See you Monday morning. All right? God willing. You know what I'm saying? I'm leaving now, but I'll be back. You know what I mean? One love. Bang, my beautiful people. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, my beautiful people. One love. Peace out.